Guess who's back? Back again.
Jay-Z's
back. Tell a friend.
That's right, you beautiful people. It's me again. Back at it again with another crack video. I'm sorry I haven't made one in a while. I was so busy. I'm gonna shut up now and let you watch my beautiful creations. Kiss kiss.
Oh my gosh, punch me in the face, stab me in the stomach.
Rip out my insides with your teeth and tear me apart!
Who broke it? I'm not mad, I just want to know.
I did. I broke it.
No, you didn't. Tom?
Don't look at me. Look at Ben.
What? I didn't break it.
Huh, that's weird. How'd you even know it was broken?
Because it's sitting right in front of us, and it's broken.
Suspicious.
No, it's not.
If it matters. Probably not, but April was the last one to use it.
Liar, I don't even drink that crap.
Oh, really? Then what were you doing by the coffee cart earlier?
I used the wooden stirrer to push back my cuticles. Everyone knows that, Jerry.
Okay, let's not fight. I broke it. Let me pay for it, Ron.
No. Who broke it?
Ron, Donna's been awfully quiet.
Really?
Yeah, really.
I broke it. It burned my hand, so I punched it.
Remember, kids, sideways for attention, long ways for results.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I wanted a venti! I'm coming in my time 난 back이는 걸 back이는 놈을 잡아 내가 후배를 선배를 jack이는 놈 팽이는 내가 back이는 그를 back이는 역사를 바닥에 새기는 몸도 재미도 없는 래퍼들 사이에서는 남들보다 더 챙기는 몸 잘 나가는 벽에 박혀를 베긴 형들의 시기절 수등에 생
하라고 좀 봐, 알겠냐? 들어봐.
네, 나와봐라.
How dare you?
Oh, look at the way the rose petals just flutter when I see him. Ah, he's so pretty. I love him. I love him. No one loves him like I love him. Your hair would look great on my wall. Oh, okay. Alrighty then. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, wow. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at you. Oh my god, this isn't weird at all. Whoa, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. No! Huh? No! 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 Oh no! My heart! Oh, how could it be? Snap.
Am I wrong?